Dear students, today we are going to start a new topic, that is which defines the dual behavior of light. And sometimes in so many books they also explain in different name, that is de Broglie hypothesis or de Broglie wavelength. Same only, not different. Okay, let us see. Did you remember that E equal to mc square? You know this formula, right? Whole world is very much familiar with this formula. You can't say no. Okay. Now, E equal to mc square. Now, can I write E equal to hc by lambda? I can. Okay. Now, E equal to this and equal to this, LHS same, so RHS same. Now, I can write mc square equal to hc by lambda. Okay. This c and this c cancel. C is what? Velocity of light or simply speed. Okay, then mc equal to h by lambda. Okay, just make it reverse, or you can bring lambda here. So, lambda equal to h by mc. Okay, or I can write lambda equal to h by mv. V is what? Velocity. Okay, now this is the velocity, means the speed of light, but this v is the velocity of very small particles, okay, like microscopic type. So, and this v does not mean the speed of only light, this v means the speed of other things also, means small particles. This formula you should remember to solve the de Broglie questions or dual nature of light questions. Okay. Now, I will display one question, only question, and you try to solve that. Please see the question only and solve it, then match with the answer. Can you see, find the wavelength associated with the electron moving with the velocity 10 raised to 6 meter. Okay. We know this formula, lambda equal to h by mv. Okay. H is what? Planck's constant. M is what? Mass, and v is velocity. Okay. If mass is not given, it means they are talking about the electron mass only, that is 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31. I told you earlier. Okay. And v is velocity. So, velocity is given, that is with the velocity 10 raised to 6. Meter is not there, that is meter per second. I think there is some question, means printing mistake. Okay. Now, let us solve the question. Lambda equal to h by mv. So, h is what? 6 into 10 raised to minus 34. Okay, 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 34. Mass m is what? 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31. M is over. Now, v is what? 10 raised to 6 meter per second. If you calculate, it is very easy. If you calculate all these things, then you will get your lambda. Okay, and now solution is in front of you, that 7 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter or 7 angstrom, answer is there for the lambda. And just one more thing is written here as a note. Since wavelength associated with the electron has considerable value, therefore, we can conclude the electron has more of wave nature and less of particle nature. I told you the dual nature. Two types of nature. One is wave nature and other is particle nature. Let me tell you wave nature and particle nature with very simple and common example. You remember the fan, you have fan, okay, ceiling fan at the ceiling, and when it moves, what happened? One day I came to your home without telling you, okay, and you were not there. What I did, I changed, means I just removed one wing of your fan. You had 3 wings in your fan, I removed one. Now, how many remaining? 2, okay, and I left it like that and I came back. Then what happened? You came to home. After that, you switched on the fan and you did not see the fan actually, just normally you came and you switched it on and you got air, no problem. Okay, but you felt something that you are getting less air today and you are seeing, but actually what happens when fan is moving, can you count how many wings are there? You can't. Okay, there are 2 wings only, but you can't count that. Okay. Now, but if I stop the fan, then you can see, okay, only 2 wings. Where is 1 wing? Let me tell you the wave nature and particle nature. When fan is at very slow speed or at that speed where you can count how many wings, it means you are in the particle nature. Okay, fan is showing its particle nature. And when fan is moving with high speed and you tried to see how many wings and you thought what is the, why I am not getting good air today. So, that is the wave nature. You are not able to count the number of wings in the fan. This is with small example we can understand the wave nature and particle nature. In same way, light has also dual character, wave character and particle character. But what we have to study in this topic is this much only. The detailed explanation is in the senior classes, not in class 9. Okay. So, I hope you understood the derivation, this formula you remember, and I told you one question, one example also. It is enough to understand the de Broglie equation or de Broglie wavelength or dual nature of light. Thank you.